Hello friends, today we are going to see about home automation. First, what is home automation? That is by controlling our home light, vacuum cleaners, fans, TVs, etc. using our voice or through phone. First, there are several things required to convert a normal house into an automated or smart house. First, if you are going to use voice as an activation key, you need either a voice assistant, that is either Alexa or Amazon. Okay. Google okay. Now, first, and if you are going to use mobile, you need several items that are a particular mobile application for the setup. And second, the setup which is installed should have a nickname. And now let us see about the cost. In Amazon, the Echo Show 5, that is the Alexa, cost nearly 3,500 in Indian rupees. And the things that are required to convert your home into automation is a automated switch, which cost up to 1,500 for a set of three switches. If you're going to use for three switches to be automated and going to be used through your voice, you should spend nearly rupees 4,500, and the installation cost will cost up to 500 rupees. So totally, if you have 5,000 rupees, you can able to update three switches to automation. If you are going further, you should not buy another set of Amazon or that is Echo Shofai or Google's OK Google. You can just add the other devices to your voice assistant. That's it. Next, let's talk about an advanced thing in Amazon. You can now use it to control automated vacuum cleaners that are available, which cost nearly up to 21,000. In that, you can able to program the time and the duration and the method of cleaning. In current newest vacuum cleaner that is automated, it consists of two modes. One is water wiping and normal wiping. Normal wiping, it just wipes the floor and sucks away the dust. In water wiping, it will uses some certain amount of water to clean the floor, so that thereby removing most of the dust. So now let us talk about how to set up these things. First, the basic setup is simple. Just call an electrician and tell him to connect the switches into your switchboard. That is the advanced automated switches to your switchboard. And second thing is connect that to your mobile and to Echo. That means Amazon or voice assistant, any voice assistant. And the third thing is give it a nickname and use it. For example, if you are going to place it in the hall and you are going to connect three switches, light, fan, and mini light, you can name it these switches like fan, light, and mini light. So you can able to access your through your voice by saying, "Okay Google, turn on the light." "Okay Google, turn on the mini light." Turn off the mini light. Or Alexa, if you had Alexa, turn on the middle mini light. Alexa, turn on the light. Similarly. And now let us see about how does this actually works. It is very simple. Similar to our OK Google, it will recognize our voice and accepts our command. To begin this, for Echo Dot, you should say Alexa. For Amazon's, that is, and for Google, you should just say like OK Google, and you can able to access. There are so many other advantages also. Through Echo, through Alexa, you can also play some videos or hear things. It consists of a mini digital display through which you can able to watch your movies or online anything. In Mini Alexa, I mean Echo Dot or OK Google, you can able to listen music from your net. You can able to see hear newses and hear any of the books that will read your books. Okay, thank you for the video.